Hello, in front of me I've got F125. In this video I'll show you how to create your own driver. In the beginning, let's go to F1 World. Next, go to Customization and go to Driver Profile. Here you can change Avatar, Country and Region, and Driver Number. Go back, and next you can change Raceware and Casual Wear. In Raceware you can change Helmet, Suit, Gloves, Poses, Podium emotes, and victory radio call.
Come on, Tim! And I've got to stop. I can't speak. I think it's all over. It is now.
In the end, you can create new driver preset. Next, you can adjust car and badges. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.